Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum guys. How are you? Have to be. Finally you have be fine. So friend, most welcome my YouTube channel at a crochet pattern. Hopefully you will be enjoy your standards lifetime ideas. So friend, let's come. I shared with you new and great irritability crochet thinking ideas. Let's come dear friend. I shared with you new and great crochet thinking ideas that are completely different to each other. Hopefully friends you will be fine, spending a good and lavish life. Most welcome dear friends. I introduce new and great crochet ideas which are very beautiful and are different to each other. These are very beautiful and unique covered ideas. Hopefully you will be enjoy my ideas which I shared, crochet ideas I shared with you in this video. So friend, let's come. I introduce new and great crochet thinking lily top ideas which are most ambitious and are different to each other, and you will be gain different type of thinking criteria to watching this video. So friends, subscribe my channel, like my ideas which I introduced in this video. These are very beautiful and unique ideas. So friend, hopefully you will be enjoy my great crochet ideas I introduce in this video. Beautiful thanks crochet table runners and very intense repair to your home decoration and play an important role to home saving and be decorated parts of your lifestyle's betterment. Hopefully friends you will be enjoy my great and luxurious pickling ideas that are completely different to each other, and it's are very beautiful and unique style ideas in this video I shared with you. Hopefully friends you will be enjoy my ideas which I introduce in this video, and these are very beautiful crop lily type ideas that are completely different to each other. So dear friends, subscribe my YouTube channel, like my ideas which I shared with you in this video. So friend, you will begin different type of thinking ideas that are completely different to each other. Kindly don't forget to subscribe my channel which are very ambitious. Friend, hopefully you will be enjoy my this video. Upload this video your friends, your mutual friends, your overall social personality which you know have that about. And thank you so much dear friends to watching this video at the last. Inshallah next time I meet.